Now, you may be wondering what I've got on my table here. And if you said, well, it looks to be a bit like a kudu horn, well, you'd be partially right. Because you see, this is a Kuduzela. And it's an instrument. And although this one's made out of plastic, they was brought to me by a friend from South Africa. And the idea is, this Kuduzela is that down here, at this end, you actually blow into this hole that's being created. There we are. And you blow into that, and you make a noise. Like, well, I'll show you in just a second. Now, I better just brush my whiskers out of the way. Right, now let's have a go at this Kuduzela. Are you ready for this? Then stand by for blasting. Wow, takes a bit of puff, I can tell you, but the results quite magnificent. You'll see lots of them at the World Cup, I'm quite sure, with all the South African fans blowing them like crazy. It reminds me of something, though, that Paul said, and that is that the trumpet blows with an uncertain sound, how will the army know what to do, or something like that. I'll stick it up at the end of this video. The whole point is, when we tell people about Jesus, we need to be certain that we're telling them the truth and that he is the only way in which we can have a relationship with God. Bye!
God's love for you and me, God's love for eternity, God's love. Jesus is alive, he will provide God's love for a dying world, God's love for the boys and girls, God's love. Oh, I do believe God's love is all we need.